power of prayer. Prayer elevates the mind. It fills the mind with purity. It is associated with the praise of God. It keeps the mind in tune with God. Prayer can reach a realm where reason did not enter. Prayer can move mountains. It can work miracles. It frees the devotees from the fear of death, brings him nearer to God, and makes him feel the divine presence everywhere. It awakens in him the divine consciousness and makes him feel the essential, immortal and blissful nature. It was the prayer of Prahlad that rendered cool the burning oil which was poured on his head. It was the prayer of Meera that converted the bed of Niles into a bed of roses and the cobra into a flower garland. Prayer has tremendous influence. Mahatma Gandhi was a great votary of prayer. If the prayer is sincere, and if it proceeds from the bottom of your heart, antarika, it will at once build the heart of the Lord. Sri Krishna had to run barefooted from Dwaraka on hearing the heartfelt prayer of Draupadi. You all know this. Lord Hari, the mighty ruler of this universe, apologized before Prahlad for coming a little late when the latter prayed. How merciful and loving is the Lord. Say even once from the bottom of your heart, O Lord, I am thine, thy will be done, have mercy on me, I am thy servant and devotee. Forgive, guide, protect, enlighten. Trahi prachodayat. Have a meek, receptive attitude of mind. Have bhav in your heart. The prayer is at once heard and responded to. Do this in the daily battle of life and realize yourself the high efficacy of prayer. You must have strong astika buddhi, strong conviction in the existence of God. Christians have different prayers for getting various gifts and bounties from God. Mohammedans and all religionists have daily prayers at sunrise, noon, sunset, just before retiring to bed, just before taking food. Prayer is the key, is the beginning of yoga. Prayer is the first important anga, limb of yoga. Primary spiritual sadhana or practice is prayer.